How to fix my Facebook ads. In today's session, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Live demonstration. I'll jump down into my computer so you can see it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, click a like, let me know how you're getting on.
It's time for you to take your life to the next level. Awaken your entrepreneur so you can do the things that you want to do. Hi, my name is Edjcsmith and I'm here to help you live life on your terms.
Again, really quick, if you haven't got Facebook ads working yet, I don't know what you're doing. You are crazy. You must get them working on your. It's one of the ultimate traffic tools. So if you haven't got them working, then you're in the right space. Click the links below, join the groups. I've got some live presentations coming up so I can show you 3 ways in which Facebook domination can change your business. It's changed our business. I've been running Facebook ads for about 6-7 years now. We've done over £1 million every single year on Facebook ads. I can spend more through my clients, up to the 4, 5, 10 million as well. I got one of them which is over £1 million in one funnel from 0 to 1 million in 7 months with Facebook as the key driver in traffic to that funnel. So without further ado, let me fix your Facebook ad and let's go for it. I'm going straight to my computer. Okay, I'm going to fix someone's Facebook ad. The question here, this is from Sarah. Really appreciate your help with my ads. She's just started rerunning ads from last summer. In essence, she's running 2 sets of ads. She's spending the same amount and none of them, people are opting in, but they're not getting the second element to her funnel. So let me get this one clear. So she's running an ad, okay, and the clients are not taking the upsell, nor are they receiving the PDF in the email. Now, Sarah, there's 2 things that are happening here. First of all, you need to be clear on what is the upsell. Okay, what's the name of the upsell? As in, if they're opting for this one thing, right? This one thing that they're going to get, the upsell has to be slightly different to the thing that they think they're getting. For example, let me show you Money Mindfulness Daily, for example, which is one of my. Let me show you that, for example. Now, they're getting my book, right? They're getting my book. They're downloading that. The upsell in that is the audio, and then the upsell after that is a video program, which is different to the book. They sit alongside. If someone thinks that by getting your free thing and then you try and sell them something straight after that the free thing has already resolved, then they're going to be like, why do I need this? If the free thing should resolve the problem, right? The next upsell should be an assist to the problem, but the free thing will resolve the problem. If the free thing doesn't resolve the problem, that's not authentic, right? Therefore, the free thing or the low entry thing solves the problem. The upsell is an assist to that, speeds it up, but it's like buying a health plan with a juicer. You know they're completely different things, but they go together. So start thinking like that. Why they're not getting the PDF, as in, you have to make sure that they've got a opt-in, that you're sending a link to double opt-in, so they're confirming that email address. And it is a problem with emails today. That's why I always recommend collect email address and messenger bot, because if you collect email address and messenger bot, then you've double collected that person onto a list. And for those that don't have a list, you have to understand your business is based on your list. The more people you have on your list, the more stability you have. The more people you have on your social media list, the more stability you have. The more subscribers that you have, the more stability you have. And we have a huge list. We have a huge messenger bot list as well, which is really, it has a massive open rate. So that's really kind of all I can get from that, Sarah. So I think for anyone watching, if you are giving a free thing and you want to upsell the next stage, you've got to make sure that speeds up the result in some shape or form. The free thing, like, here's my advice. My free stuff, my low entry price, my book, for example, is a killer book. When people get it in their hands, they're like, wow, this is a killer book. And that's how it should be. Your free stuff should be really good, right? So good. People are like, wow, that's good. Like, I'm just doing a new download, Facebook Domination, the 7 laws. And I'm really putting a lot of effort in. It's 8 months or so, just been doing case studies in it to make sure it's really, really good. If you want to join, links below, or you want to join a live web class, you've got links below. You can join a new group as well. And again, it's about giving great value as much as you can so that people can see that you can genuinely help them and you want to help them. And then at a later stage, they might come on to your other stuff, but that's okay. I've got some new videos coming up, how to start a Facebook ad from start to scratch. Let me know if you want to see that. Comment below, and as always, no matter what happens, never give up on those dreams. I'll see you soon.
Make your dreams a reality so you can have the choice, the freedom that you truly deserve. 10x your life, make a massive difference, build your business, and I'm with you every step of the way. So no matter what happens, you never give up on your dreams.